Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bean soup with a ham bone. First, let's prepare our beans. You'll want to soak 1 pound of dried navy beans in plenty of water overnight. This helps them cook evenly and reduces the overall cooking time. Make sure to drain and rinse them well before we move on to the next exciting step. Now, let's get that incredible ham bone flavor going. Place your meaty ham bone in a large pot with about 12 cups of water. Add 1 chopped onion, 2 celery stalks, and 2 carrots to infuse the broth with aromatic goodness. Let this simmer gently for at least 2 hours, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Once your ham bone has simmered, carefully remove it from the pot. Now, add your soaked and rinsed navy beans to the flavorful broth. Stir in 1 standard can of diced tomatoes and 2 bay leaves to enhance the taste. Let the soup gently simmer for another 1 to 2 hours, or until those beans are perfectly tender and creamy. For the grand finale, shred all the delicious meat from the ham bone and return it to your simmering soup. Give it a good taste and adjust the seasonings with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Your homemade bean soup with ham bone is now ready. Serve it piping hot with some warm, crusty bread for a truly satisfying and comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.